Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: State Cabinet decides to enhance teachers' salaries. Khasi and Garo languages to enter in Assembly's debates soon. Positive Synergy Art Foundation organizes a 5-day international multidisciplinary art workshop entitled Cross-Cultural Identities, a Dialogue Through Art. And Agnipat recruitment drive for Indian Air Force concludes. And now the news in detail. State Cabinet had decided to enhance additional amount of Rs 6,000 and Rs 9,000 for the salaries of ad hoc teachers based on the levels and subjects they are teaching, such as lower primary, upper primary, high school, arts or science teachers.
Higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the Cabinet has decided that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP and the Hindi teachers, and also the fourth teacher of the SSA. In these four categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees.
On the 4th of July 2022, the Commissioner and Secretary, Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, Frederick R. Kharkongor, inaugurated the 5-day international multidisciplinary art workshop entitled Cross-Cultural Identities, a Dialogue Through Art, organized by Positive Synergy Art Foundation in collaboration with Indian Council of Social Science Research, NERC, Shillong. Present at the program was Shri Frederick R. Kharkongor as the chief guest, accompanied by Professor Bhagirathi Panda, Honorary Director, ICSSR, NERC, Shillong, Dr. Prakash Kishore, Director of Positive Synergy Art Foundation, Dr. Nabajit Deka, Principal Government College of Arts and Crafts, Guwahati, Shri Rafael Warjri, Chairman of RITI Academy of Visual Arts, national and international art scholars, amongst others.
South Africa, along with our participation from our neighboring states and also our own indigenous artists from the state, I think it will be a very exciting and a very impactful as well as a very meaningful cultural exchange in the next 4 to 5 days. I think a word of gratitude goes to Professor Panda and the ICSR for having hosted this program here and for having taken the lead to steer and to anchor this program along with the Positive Art Foundation. It is a much needed program and also it's very timely. We all know that we have suffered 2 years of pandemic. The last 2 years has been very challenging and very difficult for all of us, especially for the art community, because art is about, it's about experiencing all the 5 senses, touch, feel, smell, sight. So unless artists are able to, engage with the audience, with the wider audience through these 5 senses, it becomes something incomplete if we're not able to meet, not able to exchange ideas, not able to interact. But I'm glad that that the program has kicked off and that you're here to talk about art, to talk about the cross-cultural identities, and also about initiating this dialogue through the medium of art. I'm also happy to note that there are 8 participating universities from within the country and also outside the country who have taken active role, who will be taking active role in this 5 days dialogue.
After the cabinet meeting on July 4th, the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, made an announcement that soon MLAs will be allowed to use Khasi and Garo languages in the discussion in the Assembly. He said that preparations are being made to appoint translators for the purpose. He also said that initially only limited subjects will be used, such as resolutions and debates on governor's address by the members in the two languages.
I don't want to talk about it right now without actually moving forward in it, but since you've asked me this question, we have already started the process and the discussion is on, and we are very, very serious, and we all feel that both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used in the Assembly, and at least certain parts, maybe not the question hour, but because it requires a lot of immediate thing, but along with translation and everything, both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used.
The Indian Air Force invites applications from unmarried male, Indian, Nepalese candidates for selection test for the Agniveer Vayu Group 1 Intake 2022 under Agnipath scheme. Online examinations will commence from 24th July 2022 onwards. Online registration has commenced from 10 a.m. of 24th June 2022 and will close at 5 p.m. of 5th July 2022. Only online registered applications shall be accepted. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.